Here is a simple question on coordination compounds or coordination complexes. And the question is 0.1 mole of COCl3 NH3 5 times is treated with excess of silver nitrate. Means a reaction is given, the ionic complexes, it represents an ionic complexes, and you get 0.2 moles of AgCl are obtained. The conductivity of the solution will correspond to four options are given: 1 3 electrolyte, 1 1 electrolyte, 1 2 electrolyte, and 3 1 electrolyte. We have to just find out which is the correct nature of the electrolyte, because we know that coordination ionic complexes behave in their aqueous solution as an electrolyte, and the reaction suggests that when excess of silver nitrate is treated with chloride ion, the ratio at which chloride ion are consumed and reacted with silver ion is in the ratio of 1 1. 1:1. That means 1 mole of silver ion reacts with 1 mole of chloride ion and forms AgCl, 1 mole. Now here we find that 0.2 moles of AgCl are formed. Definitely we can make out that there should be 2 chloride ions in the ionization sphere, or you can say the free chloride ion should be present there. 2 chloride ions in the ionization sphere, and therefore the correct answer in this case should be 1 2 electrolyte. Anyway, there are certain points provided for your reference here. The molecular formula of the complex will be COClNH35 within the coordination sphere, and Cl2, that is the 2 chloride ions outside the coordination sphere, and the positively charged portion will be coordination sphere, and 2 chloride ions will be outside the ionization sphere, and therefore it is 1 2 electrolyte, and option B is correct. Such questions are very common and are found in many competitive examinations, but it has to be considered carefully because ionic complexes behave as an electrolyte, and the nature of the electrolyte, depending upon its reaction with silver chloride, with silver nitrate, we can make out the way. Now here is another question. Of course, the question is again very concerning the reaction of treatment of excess silver nitrate. When 1 mole of CrCl3.6H2O is treated with excess of silver nitrate, 3 moles of silver chloride are obtained. Now we can definitely make out the formula of this compound, because 3 moles of silver chloride is obtained, and therefore the correct option should be D. 3 chloride ions are present in the ionization sphere, and the formula of the compound will be CrH2O6, a neutral ligand within the coordination sphere, and 3 chloride ion outside the coordination sphere. Okay, thank you. That is how we can solve questions relating to the ionization complexes or ionic coordination compounds. Okay, thank you.